right, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he or not? Suppose if you want to take the loan from anyone, if you want to take the amount from anyone, easily they will give to us.
No.
Easily they will give.
No.
But any
No.
security, no.
So something
No.
security, or first they'll see that our financial position, that whether we can able to give back the money to them or not.
Yes.
That's why if they
Yes.
will maintain the proper accounts, this will help them to raising the loans from the banks or from the outsiders. Is it clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I repeat once again or okay?
Repeat,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please repeat once again.
Okay,
Repeat
ma'am.
once.
Okay, ma'am. Coming to the first one is replacement of memory. In large business, many transactions will take place, and all the transactions remembering in human mind means it's not possible. So here, whenever we are maintaining the proper accounts, it will be a replacement of human memory. The second one is evidence in court. Suppose if the businessman is having any disputes, these accounts will act as an evidence in the court. Coming to a third one is nothing but settlement of taxation liability. Suppose if they will maintain the proper accounts, easily they can pay the liability, easily they can pay the taxes of the business. Suppose if they will not maintain the accounts at time, the top tax authorities, they can impose any amount on the business. If suppose if they don't know that what is the profit of the business and what is the loss of the business and what is the income of the business, means like what is the financial position of the business, they can impose any amount on the business. That's why whenever they will maintain the proper accounts, so properly they can pay the taxes. Coming to the fourth one is nothing but the comparative study. Comparative study is nothing but whenever they will maintain the accounts, they can do the comparison with the previous years, like what was the profit in the last year, what was the loss in the last year, what are the expense will be there, and what are the incomes will be there. Like that, they can do the comparison. Coming to the fifth one is nothing but the sale of business. Sale of business is nothing but suppose if the businessman want to sell his business, that time these accounts give the information to the outsiders that what is the value of the business. Then sixth one is assistance to insolvent person. Insolvent is nothing but the person who is unable to pay the debts. So whenever he will maintain the proper accounts, it will be a great assistance to the businessman to convince the outsiders. Okay. The next one is assistance to various parties. With the help of the accounting, they can give the information to the interested parties. Like owners will be there, creditors will be there, investors will be there, government, employees. To them, they can give the information. The next one is facilitate in raising the loans. Suppose if the businessman want to take the loan from the bank or from the outsiders, this accounting will help him to take the loans from the outsiders. Am I clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Now, next topic is nothing but the limitations of accounting, girls. Coming to the limitations, girls, I asked you to purchase the textbook. No, how many of you went to market for
No,
purchasing?
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
We have already
No.
MS notes.
Ma'am, I
not
went.
notes, ma'am. I'm
Ma'am,
asking about
others
the.
are not telling.
I'm asking about the textbook.
Ma'am, I went.
Okay, so you got the book then? You
No,
purchased?
ma'am. No, ma'am. I did not got the book.
Why?
Why? Because they're saying that it is not yet printed, I guess. They are
Okay,
saying for
okay,
waiting for 1 week more.
okay. So coming to the limitations, first one is records only the monetary transactions. Monetary means what? Money transactions. As we have discussed earlier, that whenever the businessman will record the transactions which are expressed in money, that only will make record. Other transactions they will not record. So this is one limitation. Why? Because in business many transactions will take place, many things will take place. Out of that, they will write only the where the money is affecting. Other transactions they will not record. Like as I said you, let's suppose if there is a quarrel between the management and the employees, so this is also important information, no? Yes or no? But what they are doing, totally they are avoiding. So this is one limitation, that is nothing but records only the monetary transaction. Then coming to the next one, Effect on price level changes not considered. Effect on price level changes is nothing but see, usually as I said you that in the final accounts they will prepare the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So under balance sheet what they will do, they will make out the assets. Suppose an example I'm giving, suppose if we will purchase the TV in the 2019 for rupees 20,000, okay, suppose in the year 2021 the value of the TV became 30,000. So there is a difference, no? Last year we have purchased for 20,000 and now the price is 30,000. So there is a change, no, in the amount?
Yes.
But in the accountancy, they will not consider these changes. Like suppose if they have recorded that they have purchased a TV for 20,000 means the same value they will write in the next years also, means how many years they will prepare, that many years the same value of the asset they will write like that only. Whatever in the market price changes it will be there, that information they will not inform, that information they won't write. It is nothing but effect on price level changes not considered. The next one is no realistic information. No realistic information is nothing but here accounting information will be not, maybe not be realistic, because usually they will follow here basic concepts and the conventions. I think so remember girls, in the first year you have learned about the accounting concepts and the conventions.
Yes.
So in the accounting concepts, going concern concept is there, cost concept is there, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if they will follow the going concern concept, that time what will happen, it gives an idea that the business will continue and the assets will be recorded at the cost, but they will not record at the book value. Just now as I said you, just now one example I've given, no, suppose if they are purchasing any machinery or anything for 20,000 and the next year the value changing to 30,000, but then also what they will do, they will record the same value as 20,000. What is the market value will be that they will not record. That's why it can't give the realistic information for the business. Any doubt, girls?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't got the point.
No realistic information. This
Yeah.
one? Yeah. No realistic information is nothing but usually the accountant when they will prepare the accounts, what he will do means he will follow some accounting concepts and the conventions of the business. Suppose if he is following the going concern concept, suppose if he is following the going concern concept, so as per the going concern concept, whatever assets they will purchase, that price only they will make record, that only they will make record in the coming years also. Like suppose if the market value will increase or decrease, that they will not mention there. So whenever they are not mentioning there, at time they will not get the real information of the assets. Am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the fourth one. Fourth one is nothing but personal bias of accountant. Personal bias of accountant is nothing, bias is nothing but the ideas or the suppose, see, whenever the accountant will prepare the accounts, as you know, I think so in the second year you have learned the methods of depreciation.
Yes, ma'am.
So straight line method is there, diminishing balance method is there, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Suppose I think so you know, you are having this idea also. Suppose if you will follow the original cost method, the whatever the depreciation value will be there, it will be different. And suppose if you are following the diminishing balance method, time the whatever the value of the depreciation will be, that will be different.
Different.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here whenever the accountant will prepare the accounts as per his wish, what he will do, he will follow any method. So whenever he will prepare the accounts, so whatever the personal bias of the accountant will be, that also affect the accounting statement. Again, I'm repeating, whenever they will prepare the accounts, they have to follow the methods of depreciation, or for finding the cost also. In the cost also is nothing but leap of methods will be that you will learn in the next year. So these methods will be there. Suppose if we will follow the original cost method, the value will be different. And suppose if he is following the diminishing balance method, the value will be different. That's why here, whatever the accounts will be there, it will affect by the accountant also. The next one is
Profit no reached.
Profit no real test of managerial performance or the efficiency. What is the meaning of this? Means, suppose if the business has earned in 2019 15,000 and the year 2020 they have earned the 20,000 rupees. Just I'm one example I'm giving. Suppose if the business is earning the profit in the year 2019 as 15,000 and the year 2020 they are earning the profit as 20,000. So here 5,000 increase is there, no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes.
5,000 increase, we can't say that this is the managerial effect or manager performance with the management is doing well. That's why they got. There may be a many effects will be there for this. Like suppose generally sometimes what will happen. Uh, Suddenly in the market whatever the price of the things will be, it may be increase or decrease will be there. Because of that also they can sell the goods at the higher price, like these things will be there. So here whenever suppose if the business is getting the profits, so we can't judge here the managerial efficiency. So it is not real test for the management. Is it clear?
Ma'am, you have to copy in classwork.
Yes ma'am.
We have to copy in classwork.
Yeah ma, these things I have to give the notes. So
Okay.
I'll see ma tomorrow if the possible, I'll give notes to you all.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay ma'am.
Okay,
Now
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
time also over, no, only 1 minute left. So today we have covered the topics. There's nothing but the characteristics, objectives, functions, advantages, and the limitations. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Tomorrow,
Yes.
tomorrow other topics I'll cover.
So, ma'am, we need not to copy this.
Yes, we have to copy, right, ma'am?
Assalamu alaikum, girls. Can you hear me?
Walaikum assalam, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, ma'am.
Walaikum
Yes,
salam.
ma'am, we can hear you.
Yeah, this is Masarat Jahan, principal of Malakpet Degree College. Yesterday, I have mentioned in the chat box that you have to write your branch name after your name. But no one has written, only few. One I can see Amreen Fatima, that is from Shalibanda branch. Aisha Kaleem from Malakpet branch. Someone is Galaxy J7. J7. Who is this? How can we take your attendance then? You will be marked as absent. Everyone, after your name, you have to put a slash as Lubna Hamid has done, and then write your branch name so that we can mark your attendance. Otherwise, you will fall short of your attendance. Then there will be a problem. Okay, and daily we are uploading your attendance in a university site. So if you don't mention your branch, then how can we identify you? Okay, everyone has to mention your branch name after your name. Fine. How the classes are going on? Are you all satisfied with the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any
Yes,
issues?
ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any issue, you mention in your branch group. I think every branch has made the WhatsApp groups, and you have your teachers, class in charges. You have to contact them and resolve all your issues as early as possible. Fine. Is the explanation clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How is your experience? Hmm? Experience of online learning.
It's nice, ma'am.
Nice. Like nice in the sense you can lie on the bed and listen like a
No,
song.
ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
No, it's not like that.
No.
Okay, so are you all sitting right on a table and writing the notes, referring the
Yes,
notes?
ma'am.
Writing the notes,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
not sitting on table. To be honest.
Okay, no problem. Okay, have you all brushed your teeth?
Yes, ma'am. Had breakfast also.
You
Had
had your
breakfast also.
breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good, 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 good.
Alhamdulillah.
Nice. Very nice. You just think that you are in a taxi.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Get up, change your night dress, okay?
Yes.
Dress up well, wash your face, and have your breakfast, and then you sit with your notebook,
Okay,
okay?
ma'am.
And maintain
Okay, ma'am.
running notes. You have to maintain separate notes for all your subjects.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Continue. But from you can change right now also. Everyone change your name as I have to mark the attendance.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, should we purchase notebooks from outside?
Yes,
Okay.
you have to purchase the notebooks, long books, long
Yes,
plain
ma'am. Written
books.
notes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And regarding your textbooks and all, soon your faculty members will be giving you the publishers' names and all. So
Okay, ma'am.
that time
Thank
you
you.
can purchase. Okay.
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 Bye, ma'am. क्या कर रही है मैम? टेस्ट ले रही हैं।
देख रहे कौन कौन है, कौन कौन सा class किया है।
जवाब नहीं दिए कहते ऐसा कर
Quinine is mainly but it is also used as analgesic, antipyretic, protoplasmic, beta stomach. Intravenously in cerebral malaria.